From the age of dinosaurs to today, the Earth has witnessed an incredible journey of evolution. Vast changes have swept across the globe, continents have shifted, climates have altered dramatically, and countless species have vanished, leaving only their traces in the fossil record. But did you know that some ancient creatures from that era, animals that once shared the world with giants, are still alive today? Join us as we explore 10 remarkable ancient animals that have survived millions of years, enduring through time to this very day. Our journey into the distant past begins in the depths of the ocean, a world away from the sunlit surface. Here, in the twilight zone, swims a creature that has become an icon of survival, the coelacanth. For many years, scientists believed that coelacanths had vanished alongside the dinosaurs. Their only evidence, fossilized remains, told a story of a fish with powerful fleshy fins, almost limb-like in their structure. Then in 1938, off the coast of South Africa, a discovery astonished the world. A fishing trawler brought up a living coelacanth. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The coelacanth's survival is a testament to its remarkable resilience, weathering countless changes in Earth's history. Our next ancient survivor takes us to the shallow coastal waters and sandy beaches. Here we encounter the horseshoe crab, a creature whose ancestry stretches back over 450 million years. The horseshoe crab is not a crab at all, but rather a member of the arthropod family. Its most striking feature is its hard horseshoe-shaped carapace, a protective armor that has shielded it through countless epochs. This ancient armor, coupled with its remarkable blue blood, has been the key to its survival. Unlike our own blood, which relies on iron to carry oxygen, horseshoe crab blood uses copper, giving it a distinctive blue hue. Today, horseshoe crab blood plays a crucial role in medical research and the pharmaceutical industry. We venture now from the ocean depths and sandy shores into the steamy swamps and murky waterways of the southeastern United States. Here lurks a creature that embodies primal power and ancient lineage, the American alligator. With its armored hide, powerful jaws, and a gaze that seems to hold the wisdom of ages, the alligator evokes a sense of awe. Alligators belong to a group known as archosaurs, a lineage that includes dinosaurs and birds. Their ancestors walked the earth alongside the dinosaurs, surviving the cataclysm that wiped out so many other species. Over millions of years, alligators have remained remarkably unchanged, perfectly adapted to their environment. The alligator, a symbol of the American South, is a powerful reminder that the past is never truly gone. Chapter 4. Crocodiles, Masters of Survival from a Bygone Era. Our journey into the world of ancient survivors takes us now to the tropics and subtropics, to the rivers, lakes, and wetlands where another formidable reptile reigns supreme, the crocodile. Closely related to alligators, crocodiles share a common ancestor with dinosaurs, their lineage stretching back over 200 million years. Their prehistoric pedigree is evident in their powerful build. Massive jaws lined with sharp teeth, armored bodies, and a gaze that seems to pierce through time. Crocodiles are found across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. Some, like the saltwater crocodile, are giants, reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing over a ton. Others, like the dwarf crocodile, are comparatively small but no less formidable in their own right. Crocodiles are masters of survival, their adaptations honed over millennia. Their powerful jaws can deliver a bone-crushing bite, and their digestive systems are capable of breaking down bone, horn, and even turtle shells. Chapter 5. Tuatara, a reptile relic of a lost world. Our exploration of ancient survivors takes us now to a land far removed from the continents we know today, New Zealand. Here in the cool, damp forests and coastal islands, lives a reptile that seems to have stepped out of a prehistoric past. The tuatara. The tuatara, often called a living fossil, is a reptile unlike any other. While it may resemble a lizard at first glance, it belongs to a distinct lineage, the order Rhynchocephalia, that dates back to the Triassic period, over 200 million years ago. During the Triassic, the tuatara's ancestors shared the Earth with the earliest dinosaurs. The tuatara's remarkable longevity is due in part to its slow metabolism and long lifespan. Tuatara can live for over 100 years, reaching sexual maturity at around 15 to 20 years of age. The tuatara's most distinctive feature is its parietal eye, a light-sensitive third eye located on the top of its head. Chapter 6. Nautilus, a living fossil in a spiral shell. Our journey through time takes us back to the ocean depths, to a world of twilight and mystery, where we encounter a creature whose lineage stretches back over 500 million years, the Nautilus. Encased within its beautiful spiraled shell, the Nautilus is a cephalopod belonging to the same family as squid, octopuses, and cuttlefish. But unlike its more modern relatives which have lost their external shells or have internalized them, the Nautilus carries its ancient armor on its back. The Nautilus's shell is a marvel of natural engineering. It is composed of chambers, each one larger than the last, connected by a thin tube called a siphuncle. The Nautilus can adjust the amount of gas and fluid in these chambers, allowing it to control its buoyancy and move up and down in the water column. The Nautilus is a predator, using its tentacles lined with sticky pads and sensory cells to capture prey. The Nautilus's remarkable longevity is a testament to its adaptability, having survived multiple mass extinctions. Chapter 7. From the ocean depths, we journey now to one of the harshest environments on Earth, the Namib Desert of southern Africa. Here, clinging tenaciously to life, we find a plant that embodies resilience and endurance. Welwitschia. Welwitschia is unique among plants. It possesses only 2 leaves, which grow continuously throughout its lifespan, which can exceed 1,000 years. These leaves, often tattered and torn by the harsh desert winds, sprawl across the sand like leathery tentacles, absorbing moisture from the air. Welwitschia's ability to thrive in such an extreme environment is a testament to its remarkable adaptations. Its leaves are covered in stomata, tiny pores that allow for gas exchange, which are concentrated on the underside. Welwitschia can endure years of drought, patiently waiting for the next rainfall to replenish its water stores. Chapter 8. Our exploration of ancient survivors takes us back to the water, to the rivers and seas, where we encounter a creature that has navigated the currents of time for over 200 million years, the sturgeon. Sturgeons are often referred to as living fossils, and for good reason. Their appearance has changed little since the Jurassic period, when dinosaurs ruled the land. They possess bony plates called scutes instead of scales, giving them a distinctly prehistoric appearance. Sturgeons are anadromous fish, meaning they live most of their lives in the ocean but migrate up freshwater rivers to spawn. Some species, like the beluga sturgeon, can grow to enormous sizes, reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing over 3,000 pounds. Unfortunately, the demand for caviar has led to overfishing and habitat destruction, pushing many sturgeon populations to the brink of extinction. Chapter 9. Our journey through time takes us now to the temperate forests of China, where we encounter a tree that has borne witness to the rise and fall of civilizations, Ginkgo biloba. The Ginkgo biloba, often referred to as a living fossil, is the sole surviving member of the Ginkgoales order, a group of plants that flourished during the Mesozoic era, over 170 million years ago. The ginkgo's distinctive fan-shaped leaves, which turn a brilliant golden yellow in autumn, are instantly recognizable. These leaves, unlike the leaves of most trees, have a unique forked vein structure, a characteristic that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. The ginkgo is remarkably resilient, able to tolerate pollution, poor soil conditions, and even urban environments. It is also resistant to most pests and diseases, thanks in part to its unique chemical makeup. The ginkgo has been cultivated for centuries in China, where it is revered for its beauty and medicinal properties. Chapter 10. Our exploration of ancient survivors concludes with a journey to the coral reefs, vibrant ecosystems teeming with life where we encounter some of the oldest and simplest multicellular organisms on Earth, sponges. Sponges are often mistaken for plants, but they are animals, albeit very simple ones. They lack true tissues and organs, instead relying on specialized cells to carry out essential functions. Sponges are filter feeders, drawing water in through tiny pores called ostia and expelling it through larger openings called oscula. As water flows through their bodies, specialized cells called choanocytes trap bacteria, plankton, and other organic matter, providing the sponge with nourishment. Sponges are incredibly diverse, coming in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. They can be found encrusting rocks, forming branching structures, or even growing into massive barrels. Sponges play a crucial role in marine ecosystems, providing habitat for a wide variety of creatures and playing an important role in nutrient cycling. These remarkable creatures, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the trees, remind us of the resilience of life on Earth. They have witnessed the passage of eons, surviving cataclysmic events and adapting to ever-changing environments. Their stories are a testament to the power of adaptation, the enduring nature of life, and the importance of preserving the biodiversity of our planet.